This is the book that I'll be reviewing for this video, and I'm so excited to get started. When I first saw this book, it actually made me laugh, and it just kind of put me in a good mood, so I'm really pumped to be doing this review. If you want your own book reviewed, then please check out the link in the description, and just fill out the form, read everything, and hopefully your book will be reviewed as well. So let's get started. The title is You Were Crap at Your Job Anyway, Funny Coworker Leaving Gift. So it looks like we have the exact title that's on the front. That's also on the title that you wrote. So that's perfectly fine. You have everything capitalized. That's okay. Funny coworker leaving gift. I'm not sure if I would have just left it there. I might have added some more to it. I'm not really sure what it is. Oh, it's a notebook, looking at the description. So I maybe would have added notebook or journal, something in the title so that way people knew what they were, and maybe added a little bit more keywords, but I'm very happy you didn't stuff it. And by stuffing, I mean adding just a ton of words pretty much for no reason. So thank you for not doing that. Your cover is awesome. I absolutely love it. It's adorable, witty. I really like it. I can read everything perfectly fine. I definitely think that this is something that is going to vary person to person. So not everybody might like the cover, but I think it's well done. I love the font. I love the design. So awesome job. Your author name looks like it's just your name or a pen name you have. I'm not going to click on your author central, but if you don't have an author central, then I recommend creating one if you're trying to develop a brand. I think you have it priced fairly. It is 100 pages, so smaller than some other books, but it's honestly probably average. So I think your pricing is fair. Let me read your description. This is a funny poop themed notebook gift for a coworker who is moving on to new pastures or going into retirement. This is a funny notebook for them to write down their personal thoughts, notes for the new job. Grab this farewell gift for a colleague, add to cart now. So I would not repeat yourself in each sentence. So each time you say this is a something themed notebook or notebook. So I would kind of mix it up a little bit, maybe jazz it up. I do love how you added like new pastures, going into retirement, how they can use it for grocery list, to-do list. I do love that. I'm not sure if I would have add to cart now. I don't think that's going to change somebody's mind whether or not they're going to buy the book. So I would maybe get rid of that. But honestly, overall, your description is pretty good. I would just fine tune some of the grammar, make it a little bit different each sentence, maybe add some features. But other than that, it's overall pretty good. Size, 7.44 by 9.69. I'm not sure if that's really a common size for a book. Usually like 6 by 9, 8.5 by 11. So that may be kind of why you aren't getting as many sales. But you also published this October 20th, 2022. So it's pretty soon and early on. I'm just going to check your BSR. So it looks like you don't have a BSR yet, but that's okay. That just means you haven't had a sale yet, but I do think your cover is pretty good. Let's look at your keywords really quick. So you have gifts for colleagues, got a score of 19, over 100,000 search results, and gifts for my boss, score of 41, 6,000 results. So the colleagues has way too many search results to be able to rank for in a very low score. So I personally wouldn't use that as like a sole keyword. It's fine to have it, but I wouldn't use it as my main one. Gifts for my boss has a pretty good score. Results are high though, and only one individually published book is on the page. And I doubt it's even related to what you have. I might be able to find it here. Let's just do nope. Let's see. Or be independently published. So this is the book that's ranking. Be careful not to trip over my amazingness. It's everywhere. But everything else on the page is not by a KDP publisher. This is far down the page. It's ranked at 418. So honestly, I wouldn't use this either. It's just not specific enough or niche down. And also, I'm not sure if you use these together or not, but they're repetitive. So gifts for, gifts for. I try not to repeat any words because I think it just wastes space and you could get other keywords in there. So I'm not sure if you did anything else for your keywords. I just looked up 2 of the ones that you submitted. That also might be your problem, is that it's going to be very hard to rank in those. They don't have the best like overall score for a KDP book. Yes, the gifts for my boss had a score of 41, but you have to validate it after that. And I honestly don't think it was validated. It didn't have like really any other related KDP books. It had a lot of search results at 6,000, and it was too broad. So I would definitely try to narrow down your keywords. And, if your book starts selling really well, then you can start to rank in those bigger keywords. But right now you just posted it and you still are trying to, get sales, get out there. But I think you have a great cover. I think you have an amazing start here. I definitely hope somebody buys this for you, or not for you. I hope somebody buys this book from you because I think it's awesome. Like, honestly, if I ever quit my job, I hope somebody would buy this for me because I think it's really cute. I think it's funny. I just think you're having a hard time being seen because of your keywords. I really hope that this was helpful. And again, if you want your own book reviewed, then please check out the link I have in the description below. And if you're the one that created this book, then awesome job and keep going with KDP. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a great day.